Hello students. So in the last video, we discussed here total 8 examples on derivative as rate measure. So in this video, we'll start with that next example, that is example number 9. In this example number 9, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the letter is 10 centimeter. So in this example, first you have to write down this given term. So first we'll start with, let V be the volume and R be the radius of the sphere. So the given term is, this is balloon in spherical shape is there. So first we'll start with, let V be the volume and R be the radius of the sphere. Next, to find dV by dr when R equal to 10 centimeter. So in this example, your given term is a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius, and then by using this one, find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeter. So you have to find out change in this volume of sphere, that is with respect to R, that is dV by dr when R equal to 10 centimeter. So in this example, you have to apply this formula, the volume of the sphere. So the volume of the sphere is V equal to 4 by 3 by R cube. So by using this formula, you have to differentiate this formula with respect to R. That is, rate of change of volume with respect to R is given by dV by dr equal to derivative of this right hand side, that is formula is 4 by 3 by R cube. So differentiate this term with respect to R. Now if we simplify this one, we'll get 4 by 3 by, this one is a constant term. Next, so derivative of this R cube we have to take. So 4 by 3 by into derivative of R cube with respect to R. So you'll get 3 times R square. Now if we simplify this one, we get 4 times by R square. Here R is given, that is 10 centimeter. So put R equal to 10. So we get 400 pi cc per second. So 400 pi cubic centimeter per second. So this is the answer, that is change in the volume of the sphere with respect to R. Next, example number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meter per second. Next, by using this one, how fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? See here, in this example, so one ladder is there, that is the length of the ladder is 5 meter, and so this ladder is the leaning against a wall. The first thing is, the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall, okay, at the rate of 2 meter per second. So that is change in that is a base, 2 meter per second. By using this one, how fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? So in this example, So can consider this one. So this ladder is, the length of the ladder is 5 meter. Now you can consider, so this is a x and y axis, or you can consider this is a wall and this is a ground, and then this height of this, the height of the ladder, and next the distance from wall to this, the point A. So that one we can consider the variable is x, base is the x and height is the y. Now first we can consider where AB represents a ladder. Let OA, the distance OA we can consider as x meter, and OB is equal to y meter. These are the variables. Now what is the given term? So change in this x. So change in that x that is given with respect to time, that is dx by dt, that one is a 2 meter per second. So that is a given term. Next, by using this one, next you have to find out dy by dt means change in this height of the ladder, that is variable y. So change in this y with respect to time t, that is dy by dt you have to find out when x equal to 4 meter. So first, by using this right angle triangle, or by using this from triangle OAB, so angle AOB is 90 degree. Now therefore triangle AOB is a right angle triangle again. Next, by using this right angle triangle, you can take AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Now first here AB is given, that is 5 meter. So AB square means we will get 25. OA is equal to x, that is OA square is x square. OB square, that is OB is y is there, so we will get y square. Now we get here one equation, that is 25 is equal to x square plus y square. Now next, call this equation number 1. Now differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to time t. So if we differentiate this one, so we get, so derivative of x square with respect to time t. In this equation, x and y both are the variables. So derivative of x square is 2x with respect to term is dx by dt, plus derivative of y square is 2 times y with respect to y is dy by dt, equal to derivative of this 25. So then 25 is a constant term, so derivative of this constant term is 0. Now next simplify this one, or divide this 2 to both the sides. We get x into dx by dt plus 2y, y into dy by dt equal to 0. Now next, y into dy by dt equal to minus of x into dx by dt. Now therefore dy by dt equal to minus x dx by dt divided by y. Now next, now I can substitute the values here. So first, so what is the given term? It is x is given and dx by dt, these two terms are given. Now by using that equation number 1, next you have to find out the value of y. So here the value of y is, or when x equal to 4, when x equal to 4, this one if you substitute in this equation number 1, so we get the value of y, that is, so here equation is x square plus y square equal to 25 is there. So put x equal to 4, so we get 16 plus y square equal to 25. So y square equal to 9. or y is equal to, we'll get 3. So plus or minus 3 will get, but this y is the distance is there, you have to take plus 3. Now next, now substitute here, first x equal to 4 and dx by dt is 2, and so the denominator is y equal to 3. Now simplify this one, we get minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. So that is dy by dt. So this minus sign indicates the decrease in that height. So the decrease in the height, that is 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Therefore y decrease at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second with respect to time t. So this is the answer. Next, example number 11. A particle moves along the curve 6 times y equal to x cube plus 2. Then find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So in this example, so first thing is the given term. So the given term is y coordinate is changing. So y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So here x and y, there are two coordinates are there. So xy coordinate is there. So in this one, so first we can take, let p of x comma y be a point on the curve, that is 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Now next you write down this given term now. So here change in this y, that is change in this y, that is dy by dt is 8 times change in that variable x. We will get 8 times dx by dt. Now this implies dy by dt divided by dx by dt. You take that term on the left hand side, dx by dt. So this term equal to 8. Now on the left hand side, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this term is nothing but dy by dx. This term is equal to 8. So this is the given term, that is dy by dx equal to 8. Now by using this one, now next you have to find out the points. So first you have to differentiate 6y equal to x cube plus 2 with respect to x. So derivative of this 6y is 6 times dy by dx equal to, so derivative of x cube is 3x square. So derivative of 2 is, we will get 0. Now this implies 6 times dy by dx equal to 3x square. Now to cancel this 3, we will get dy by dx equal to x square by 2. But dy by dx term is given already, that is dy by dx is 8 is there. Now substitute dy by dx equal to 8 here. We get x square by 2 equal to 8. So x square equal to 16. So x equal to plus or minus 4. Now therefore by using this value we can find out this y term here. So 6 times y equal to, put x equal to 4 here, we get 6 times y equal to 64 plus 2. 6 times y equal to 66, or y equal to 11. So that is therefore the point is 4 comma 11. Next, so second point, when x equal to minus 4. So when x equal to minus 4, we get 6 times y equal to minus 64 plus 2, or 6 times y equal to minus 62. We get y equal to minus 31 by 3. Now the second point is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. So the required points are 4 comma 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. So that is the required points. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. So thank you, students.